morning, Payne Park. I'm Tamika Harris, and we want to say we miss you all. I am here with Mohammed.
Hi everyone.
And Kevin. And as you can see, we are practicing spatial distancing. If you are able to make it out to the courts, please remember to do so. Stay safe, stay healthy. We're going to come and give you tips once a week, kind of in a way to keep us all connected. Our first tip is going to be spatial distancing.
Not only are we talking about social distancing being good for your health, it can also be good for your tennis. So recognize, in order to hit the ball as efficiently as you possibly can, you need to have good spacing as well. Most people have a tendency to get behind the ball, as in many other sports, but in tennis, that's one of the worst places to be. So we'd like to keep the ball out away from us, keep it off to the side, so we're able to strike the ball with a good rotation of the upper body as well.
Right now hitting the ball, you got that left hand pointing at the ball. Look how she adjusts her steps, and she want to meet the ball in front of her, away from her body. Look at that extension of the elbow at the end. Nice preparation, good finish. In front of you, good girl. One more. Good girl.
For the backhand side, it's important to have an early preparation. You can hug a little bit more to your body, but the thing is you want your arm somewhat straight. And then with the left arm, you want to extend out away from you and wrap around. You don't really want to do this. Just remember, early preparation, extend out, and then scratch your back.
For those of us with a one-handed backhand, we want to do something very similar. We're going to take our left hand, if you're right-handed that is, and put your left hand close to your right hip or your right pocket. Of course, it's going to be converse for the right-handed people. You're going to take your right hand, put it to your left hip or your right pocket, and then you're going to just swing out and away from your body. Same thing. So we're looking to keep that distance so we can get full extension through the ball.
This is the two-handed backhand.
Now if you watch Tamika right here with her two-hand backhand, early preparation, good balance, she meets the ball in front, and look at that extension with the left hand at the end. Look, very nice, excellent. She keeps the elbow away from her body at the end. Very good girl. Look at the early preparation on Kevin. The racket is close to his right pocket for the lefty, and he's extending that elbow way out to the target. Early prep, good footwork there, and a good balance at the end. Good job. Bravo.
As you can see, on the right-hand side, it's exactly the same thing. Again, early preparation, extending out toward the target. Perfect.
Nice job. Good tip.
Yeah, man.
High five.